Hello guys, Josh here from Electric Scooter Insider, and today we have the all new, all improved Unagi Voyager. Now this is an upgrade from the Model 1. So let me give you an overview of what this scooter has to offer. If we start our way down at the chassis, you're going to find that it's got dual motors. Now this is the lightest dual motor scooter that you can get. Each motor puts out 250 watts of nominal power, and then also each motor puts out 500 watts of peak power. So you've got 1000 watts, which is actually 200 watts more than the old Unagi. In terms of the battery, you've got a 360 watt hour battery. That's going to give you 25 miles, which again, that's double the range of the older model. So that's really good. You've got your fender brake here. Now, one thing with the old Unagi model was it was sort of, you know, the negative of it was that it had bad ride quality, and that was all because of these solid tires and no suspension. Unfortunately, this new model has done exactly the same thing with these tires. So look, we're going to test it out and see how it performs. So make sure you subscribe to see the full review to see how it's kind of stacks up in the ride quality department. Elsewhere, you've got this really nice one-click folding mechanism. It's probably the best I've actually seen on a lightweight scooter. So all you do, simply push down on those buttons. There you go, and just show you how lightweight it is. So again, this is dual motors. It's about 29.6 pounds, so super portable. Again, getting the stem back up, nice and easy. You get a nice click there as well to know that it's really locked into place. As for the stem, this is actually made from Toray carbon fiber. It's the same material that Elon Musk apparently uses in his SpaceX rocket. So, you know, you've got a bit of premium quality there. And in fact, the entire scooter screams premium. People refer to it as the iPhone of the sort of scooter world and refer to Unagi as the Apple of the scooter world. So if we make our way up to the cockpit here, you can see this really nice display that we've got. This scooter has really good ergonomics, so not only do you have really grippy grips here, right, but you've got your electronic brake here, super smooth. Then you've got your thumb throttle here, again, really smooth. And these buttons here, this is your horn, and this changes your riding mode. So you can see when you're riding, you can sort of tip tap on those and use the throttles, or use the paddles rather. Very, very sort of elegantly designed. It looks beautiful. But look, let's put it in top speed mode as we always do. We've got it in dual motors and in riding mode 3. Let's see how fast it is off the line. Okay, it's pretty nippy. The electronic brake's quite strong. Oh, nearly fell over then. There we go. You know, it rides quite well on this sort of surface, but look, guys, subscribe to the channel. See the full review of this coming later this month. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.